My name is Merfyn Williams and I'm the head of school. We currently offer 3 undergraduate degree programmes, a Bachelor in Medical Sciences, a BSc in Biomedical Science and a BSc in Medical Biology. It is worth noting that all our programmes can be underpinned with a common foundation here that can give students that currently do not have the necessary scientific background required knowledge to study before entering our 3-year programmes. All our programmes also have a common first year, which can give you the added option of internally changing your degree programme if you so wish after discussion with tutors. This option may help those who haven't quite decided what a degree pathway they would finally like to follow. The second year of each of our programmes then diversifies, and where we have close collaboration and contribution from medical, clinical and scientific staff from our local NHS Health Board. Our BMSI degree provides a science programme related to medicine concerning human health and disease. This programme is also a feeder stream to graduate entry medicine via and in collaboration with Cardiff Medical School, but subject to conditions with more related information on this pathway available on our web pages, explaining the option to also follow the 4-year MMBCH graduate entry medicine programme here in the School of Medical Sciences as well. Our Biomedical Science programme is accredited with the Institute of Biomedical Science and is concerned with the investigation of a wide range of specialist scientific subjects in the field of human health and disease. For example, I teach medical microbiology across all 3 years for all our programmes, beginning with an introductory module, building on the diagnostic investigation in the 2nd year, and culminating in the applied clinical aspects of infectious diseases in the 3rd year. Our medical biology programme bridges the science between research and clinical medicine, and you will learn about the cellular and genetic causes of major medical disorders, and we'll be able to take advantage of the expertise of our researchers here. Bangor University and the School of Medical Sciences is a vibrant and friendly environment to study, with an excellent reputation for student support and pastoral care. Our already award-winning staff received no less than 17 nominations in last academic year's Student-Led Teaching Awards, with 5 awarded for teaching and pastoral care and the school runner-up in the Best School category across the university. In the latest National Student Survey, 90% of the school's graduating students were satisfied overall with their course, and on average, 80% of our students are employed in local, national and international jobs in science or are in further study, including graduate entry medicine, master's programmes and PhDs, 6 months after graduation. I hope you will consider coming to Bangor University and the School of Medical Sciences. We would be pleased to welcome you. We wish you well with your current studies and thank you for listening.